Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to customize side button on this device. Simply go to the settings and scroll down, tap on the option advanced features. Tap on side button. Okay, then here you can see two options, double press or long press. Then if you want to customize the double press, tap on the option. Now this option is selected to screenshot. So here you can see lots of options, and from here you can select according to your choice. You can select any one. So simply here I am going to select the option camera. Just make a double press on the power button. You can see the camera is enabled. Okay, so if you want to take a screenshot using double press, select the option Samsung capture, make a double press on your power button. You can see simply the screenshot is captured. If you want to enable the double press for the Samsung Notes, select the option Samsung Notes. You can select any one from here. So simply here I am going to select the option open Samsung Note. Just make a double press on the power button. You can see Samsung Note is enabled. Okay, and here you can see one more option, long press. Tap on this one. There is two options, digital assistant or Bixby. So according to your choice, you can select digital assistant or Bixby. Okay, so simply in this way we can customize the side button on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.